Earning just over 600 pesos a day as a cook at a construction site in Quezon City, Darwin stretches every peso to support his family. He has put his 2 children through school and relies on the same income to pay the household bills. But as the cost of living continues to rise, he says making ends meet has become increasingly difficult.
Kapos pa rin yun, kahit anong gawin sipag.
Dahil
Tumataas ang bilin, sahod ng tao, wala.
Today, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. expanded the Unified Package for Livelihood, Industry, Food and Transport or UPLIFT.
Sa ilalim ng programang ito, mabibigyan ng agarang tulong ang 7,2 milyong kabahayan o 37,500,000 na milyong Pilipino sa buong bansa. Makakatanggap ng isang beses na karagdagang tulong na hanggang 2,000 piso ang 3,2 milyong benepisyaryo ng Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program o 4Ps at yung Walang Gutom Program.
Another 2,000 pesos in assistance will also be given from July to December or for 6 months to 2.5 million poor and near poor Filipinos identified under the 2024 community-based monitoring system. Low-income workers and their families who are listed under the Social Security system will also qualify. The chief executive said the impact of the tensions in the Middle East continues to be felt, threatening the global oil supply and driving up prices, adding to the financial burden of Filipino families.
Layunin ng uplift assistance na mapangalagaan ang kakayahan ng mga pamilyang Pilipino na matustusan ang kanilang pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan. Kasabay nito, pinalawak natin ang saklaw na tulong upang mas maraming Pilipino ang makinabang sa programa.
According to President Marcos, the distribution of assistance will shift to a digital system to make the process faster, more orderly, and more convenient for beneficiaries. The government has allocated 12.375 billion pesos for the expanded UPLIFT program. But how prepared is the government should the tensions in the Middle East worsen or persist?
Yan nga po ang inaaral. Pagka may budget po, i-release agad para itulong sa mas nangangailangan. At binabalansi po lahat ang pondo.
Kalezal Pardilia for the Nation.